Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sandy, and today I'll be showing you how to create crochet goddess braids. So this is how I did mine. I had to put it in a straw because I wanted it to have a loop for the crochet. So this is how I attached the rope inside the straw so that I can be able to start crocheting. So yeah, I tied it to the chair because I don't have any other method to make this, so I had to improvise by using my chair. So yeah, this is how you do it. This is the first thing you need to do. You just start by, that is after putting the braid, you start braiding, that's weaving actually. So yeah, so you just continue doing that because I had already created some curls for the goddess braids. Now this video I'll be showing you two methods that you can use in making goddess braids. So if you want to know how I made these curls, I already have a video that you would see at the end of this video how to create curly crochet braids using the expression attachment. So yeah, just click on the video and you would see the details of how I did my curls. So yeah, that is what I did. After putting the curls to it, I started braiding. I only took out one and I left the other one inside while I was still braiding. So yeah, when I get to a point, I will bring out the second one. As you can see what I'm doing, guys, this is how I did mine. So I would just continue braiding, and it all depends on how you want your goddess braid to crochet to look like. If you want the curls to be more, you add more curls to it while you're braiding. So just watch, guys, and you'll see exactly the whole method on how I'm doing mine. So yeah, it's basically the same thing. So when I get to the very end, then I'll add the last curl. As you can see, I'm still adding more curls to it before getting to the very end. This is about 4 curls already because I want it to be very full, because that's all about goddess braids. You want the curls to be very full. That's the whole beauty about it anyway. So yeah, this is what I am doing. And then when I get to the very tip, that's the other parts, I would just tie it to the curls, and then I would use the lighter to burn that part out. Yeah, so this is it. I'm sorry, guys, that the whole thing wasn't really showing well. I think on my camera was not filming everything, so but I'm sure you understand everything that I'm explaining to you guys. So this is it. This is what I meant by burning it. So yeah, this is our goddess braids. This is the first method, so I'll show you the second one. Yeah, so the second one, I just took out the curls already that I already made from expression attachment. So I just started braiding straight up, like at once. So while braiding, I would bring out the curls that I want out. Just watch. Yeah, it's very explanatory. The video is very clear, very detailed enough for anyone to understand. So yeah, this is what I meant by bringing out the curl while you're braiding. So guys, just keep watching to the very end. Yeah. Yeah, I think the second method is actually preferable to me, but if you feel the first one is, then you can go for it. So this is how the Goddess Braids is. It's the final resort, guys. This is how it looks like, all looking nice and beautiful, ready to use. But I just did only 2 parts because I wanted you guys to just have an idea on how to make this Goddess braid. So yeah, that is all to this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and also hit the notification bell so as to get updates on when I post new video. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.